come out and ride here, man, at Pope's Place in Corinth, Georgia. All you need is a motorcycle, a helmet, and the desire to have a little fun. If you don't even ride, you can come out here and watch, man. It's fun to come watch. Ain't nobody here right now, except just a few friends and stuff right now. But it's open on the weekends, and we're just up here on a Wednesday before church, killing a little time. But y'all come out, man. Pretty cool little place. Pope's Place. Check them out on Facebook. That's an electric place way down yonder in the bottom. Down there cutting up a little bit. But y'all need to come on out. There you go. And they're just gonna go play around a little bit. Come out. Sorry if the wind's bothering the phone. I can't hear it. Man, y'all to come out and ride, man. It's a cool little place out here. Come meet everybody. You can meet Wes Pope. You can meet Dippy the dog. Andy Dotson right here. Man, y'all come on out and ride. Have a good time, man. This is Robert. I'm out. Y'all have a blessed day and peace out. Let me introduce everybody. That little fella right there, that's Wes. And that one right there, that's Orlando Bravo. And the one in the center right there, that's Sweet. Y'all come on out to Pope's Place, man. Have a good time.
Hey, you gonna look better like this?
Like this. Yeah, you look good on the overalls.